Sure, I got another eBay package. I know what this is. It's Sony stuff, speakers and radios. So I'm gonna unbox it. These are used stuff from eBay. So it's a big ass box. I'm gonna pay like $60 for all of this. Sure, it all works though. It's a lot of wrapping paper. Sure, it's a boombox kind of thing. Hold on. Yeah, it's heavy. This box is 27 pounds. Yep, it's a Sony stereo system. I think it works. Hopefully it does. Looks like it's tested. Here's another Sony boombox thing. Yeah, it's an iPod. It's just a wireless system. It's just a little used though. A little scratched up. I think it works though. These are heavy. Like, it's hard to hold in one hand. Another boombox kind of thing. These are all Sony stuff. Like, I keep getting Sony stuff often. I think these are good though. Hold on. Those are a pair of Sony boombox speakers. I'm gonna take a look because one of the tweeters are a bit broken. These are mega big boombox speakers, or little ones. Here's the other one. It's hard to record with one hand. These are just used speakers, but they appear to be in good condition. I'm gonna take a look inside them and stuff. And we'll clean them out and stuff. These are heavy. Nothing's loose. There's another boombox kind of thing. It is a boombox and a clock radio. Pretty nice. These are radios. So yes, this is it. It's just a lot of wrapping paper. This is it. Thanks for watching.